Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to this session. In this session, we will see Excel formula, especially the numerical computation. We can consider Excel as an advanced calculator which has subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, degree of elevation, and parentheses. It helps us to do all mathematical operation or arithmetic operation. So in this simple example, we will see how to calculate the total number of employees in a given company. Employees, we have two categories of employees here: blue collar staff and white collar staff. We have 7 in a blue collar staff row and 9 in white collar staff row. So how can we calculate the total staff for this company, for this unknown company? So we have two means or two options. The first one is we have to click here where we need to put the sum of these two groups of employees. We click on the cell and then we write equal sign or plus sign from our keyboard. Both are possible. In both ways, we can calculate the total sum for this mathematical operation. So then again, after we write this equal sign, we have two options. We can either write 7 plus 9 manually, and then we say enter. We have total or the sum of the two groups of employees here, which is 16. This is one way. The other way is, let me remove this. The other way is we can just simply click here and then press equal sign, and then we use the references in the Excel sheet. The reference for this 7 is when you click on it, you see the reference here, which is column C, row 7. And then we want to add them. We put plus sign, and then we put, again, we press another reference, which is C8, column C, row 8. This is column C, this is row 8. So we have here the reference for this. The reference for this number is C8. Now we can simply click on enter. So we have these two possibilities. To just to add, to show you another possibilities, let me remove to you. We can say this equal, and then sum. When you type sum, we will see these things when we go for Excel functions. But just to show you an intermediate level of how to do the mathematical or numerical computation. So you simply type sum. It gives you option here. Click on it, and then just simply select all in the column, and then don't forget to close the parentheses, and then say enter. You have here an advanced way of doing this, especially when we have large number of data. We can simply select entire the data in entire column, and then finally we can get the subtraction result or the multiplication result or subtraction result. So this is how we do the numerical computation using Excel. That's, I think, clear for you. Let me take you to some business related example. Of course, this is also related to business, but let's see some advanced one. We have here 4 companies. Name of the company: Company A, Company B, company C, company D, company E. And each of these company has net sales, cost of goods sold, and gross profit. Net sales for company A, as you see here, 102. This is in millions. 34 million, 439 million, 51 million, 224 million. And on the other column, we have cost of goods sold. So we are supposed to calculate gross profit for each of these companies. It is the same numerical computation that we are going to use. As you know, in a business, gross profit is equal to net sales minus cost of goods sold, or COGS, is to say cost of goods sold. So based on this calculation, to find gross profit, we have to deduct cost of goods sold from net sales. Great. Then we put here, we click here on in the first blank cell where we need to find gross profit for company A. Just click here, then write equal sign, and then as I have shown you, you have three possibilities. Either you can start typing here, the net sale for company A is 102 minus the cost of goods sold for company A is 75. This is it. So in this way, by writing manually, we can find, or we can calculate the gross profit for all the companies. That's one way. The other way is, as we have seen in our previous example, I can simply click here, equal, and then I go for the sale references. Sale reference for net sale for company A is here you have, minus then cost of goods sold for company A. In this way, we can calculate the gross profit for all companies. So again, you have option to do in this way to all companies one by one. So company B, company C, company D, company A. But instead of calculating for each company using this formula, you can simply drag this one down, and then it can be calculated for all companies. This lesson we have discussed in our previous videos. You can go back and see how we do this populating numbers in a given column or rows. So just drag down, and then you see it is already calculated for each company. So we can check here. For example, the net sale for company B is 34. 34 minus 64 is minus 60. In this case, the company is running at loss. Company B is running at loss because the revenue that company B generates doesn't cover its cost of goods sold. Again, as you know, there is operating expense which is going to be detected from company sales. So it's going to be, the company is going to run loss. So no, that's not the topic here to this case. The topic here is how to add, subtract, or multiply or divide. Great. So if this concept is clear, and then we can simply see, let's say division. To see division, let's calculate gross margin. Gross margin is simply net sales divided by net sales, not net sales, gross profit divided by net sales. So this is the formula of gross margin. So to see how to calculate gross margin by using division, we have gross profit for, let's say, for company A. You can say equal, then click on here, gross profit for company A, which is 27. Click on it, put this forward slash, and then divide it to net sales. So if you will put this in the present, so the company generates 26% profit out of the sales. So don't worry for the interpretation, but just to simply show you how to do the division, we can simply take the values into sales. In one cell, for example, for gross profit, we have here one cell. We divide this by net sales, which is here, and then we find it. Simply use this forward slash for division purpose. I think this is something intermediate level, but the calculation we have done is clear. How to subtract, how to add here. We have seen how to add here. There are three possibilities to add up numbers in a column or in the row, and in this example we have seen how to subtract. We have seen that we have deducted from net sales, we have deducted the cost of goods sold from net sales, and then we have calculated gross margin, and again we have calculated gross profit for company A. In the same way, we can calculate gross margin for company B, C, D, and E. I hope you have learned something from this lesson. Hope to see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you for your time with me. See you. Thank you.